Welcome to the CAT 36. We see how to make a part drawing. Initially, we make this part. We make it into three portion, and this is the first portion. And second one, the cylinder portion, and third one is the this small portion. Okay, so we see how to make this part drawing, and this is the plan, and this is the elevation. Okay, this overall to be 290 mm and 180 and 80 mm. And the first portion what we going to do is this one. This is the 180 mm and 80 mm and thickness to be 40 mm. Thickness to be 20 mm. Okay. So go to the top plane. So go to the top plane and make a rectangle. Draw anywhere a rectangle and make dimension 80 mm and this to be 180 mm. Okay, this is the first portion what we making, and we don't need this precision. Okay, so go to the settings, document property, and make the precision none, and I need all dimension to be inside, so the arrows to be inside. Okay, then give some relation from origin to the midpoint, make it coincide. Then go to extrude, and we need thickness for 20 mm, so extrude to the 20 mm and accept this. Again we make a edit sketch, and we forgot to add the slot there, so we make a slot. So go to the circle. So this slot to be 15 radius and 40 long. So make a circle. The circle to be 15 radius. Okay, 15 radius, but it is coming 15 diameter. So we make it for the 30 diameter. So it will be in the 15 radius, and we change the dimension also. Display as radius. Okay, so we need in radius 15 radius. Okay, then make a dimension from here to end to be 40 mm. Okay, then go to the line and make a line. Now go to the trim and make a slot. You have to trim this line and this arcs, so we get the slot. So exit the sketch and see, this is the first portion we have done. We need to make the second portion, cylinder portion. The cylinder portion to be, this is in the same profile, so 80 mm dia this to be, and this two to be different size. We'll make this cylinder first, that is for 60 long. Okay, then go to the circle, make a circle for diameter 80 mm. Okay, then extrude this for 60 mm. Metal is okay, no problem, and go for 60 mm. Okay, then go to the sketch, then make a circle, and this circle diameter to be, see here, 110 and 140, 20 thick. So the diameter to be 110, and extrude this for 20 thick. Again select this and go to sketch and make a circle Again extrude, make a diameter for 140 and make a extrude for 20 thick. Okay, the second portion also finished. Now we go to the third portion. Okay, this is the third portion. The third portion to be 40 thick and 40 height. That means 40 radius is 40 and that whole radius is 25, length to be 270. So the third portion we have to check the right plane. You have to check the plane, which plane will match with the make a sketch and draw the line. And the end point you can get the arc. Again you go to the same point, you get the arc. You will get approximately, you can draw the same profile, then you can dimension and make it correct. So make this radius to be 20 and draw a circle and circle diameter to be 25 dia. Okay, and from the circle center to the end to be 270. You don't have to pick the center, you just select the circle, it will take from the center of the circle the dimension. So then go to extrude, select the mid plane. So mid plane to be 40 mm thick, this to be 40 mm thick. Okay, and the third portion also completed. In the second portion we have some work. We have to make a hole there. Okay, so the hole to be 60 mm dia. Okay, so make a hole for 60 mm dia. Go to the circle and make a diameter for 60 mm. Okay, extrude through wall. Extrude cut to be through wall. Okay, done. Our small part drawing is finished. This is, and we see how to make the detailing also. And if you want to keep the same color, go to the appearance and take that filler and match with the same. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.